Just bread and pastries. Say, so Nembo FM at 3 cities per ball. Sadokui, Yam 9 and 50 will be 90. Ya 50 ye, a bria, so a papa, and Yabura, one inside Dimua, a yin, a so, where ye papa. Now, say, say, is tasty. Na sasa is a package of FKK. Among say a clean hygienic. Just say, quite fast, Fifi, Enka, Bema, one of two, health problems. Way a doctor and Doctor, or sit with me at wedding, Kenke party, and then hit now, what do you say? No, said for Buia. Number 025 60688 332 or Hefa. Behind the Ghana Commercial Banker, a war domain. I mean, can count you 025 660 668 332. Make your Kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable. What just hot cake. Thousand President Forson, I freely say, say, a single day, and one mountain crown now. Oh, business on Dimama, or Helsey, Nessie, not say, we are not no eating common. Was lost at all. Mamonia said, President Cavity Fighter Tooth Paste. Mamonia. Now, catch I know what you say. Every time we eat, we do biane. We do sugar. And then a jam one be on also many oh, maybe nim business. Baba so sentiment. Not I will and more be on my store. No more to tell Sim Obi or see no master problem. And 2K and a face, no, baby, is never come. Come, I'm not access to them. Now I now we will no Casara, one, no, and one spa and situation. And Yafe. President say, Mamma, no, you say, and Papa, Jose, and you bring 2 Uchi now about to preach. Uchi Sania, or say, and to Tukura. Well, we're going to be I just saw the president, and not Papa, Chino, and you bring. Or since happens to cavity fighter, it comes on 2 parts, or more than 155 grams, big size, and more to 120 grams or so. And from the pack, the family pack, any papa, and the other talkers, and more than 65 gram and 12 gram sachet and no to choir with my father show and TV out the bus now we see also not just what it was come and you got it what you can afford in the time. Don't just use toothpaste. That brush your teeth. Use substitute that protect your teeth. Yes, I will. Okay, now choose. Pet the heading ɛboa kam na boss no pan a ɛmboa yi ɛnka ho na ɛmpra wo ɔsɛ bia no ka sɛ wobɛtwiw se anɔpa ansa na wapue ɛna fɛ so wɔkɔda na watwiw se wei ɛna pɛpɛ sɛ yɛmfa ɛmbrɛ wo we Ghana Dental Association ɛna mo recommend pa dentist na mo to free line so make me afrɛ 0800 161 000 0800 161 000 and niches sɛ wofrɛ sa no mayi a wobɛnya dentist yes na no akasa for free na wei ahina obenya no obasa friend customer care center no so a to free line 0800 200 0330 0800 200 330 Pepsodent, every smile. No, any friend in Victor Frankel, Makai Bukubi, Man's search for meaning. No, you're Austrian psychiatrist. One Sabu, Man's Nakomi kind, Obenya soft copy. And say, any search Nazi for concentration camp between 1942 and 1945. No, Papa na brother no me be say I be say I been to na one dam rain house so he was stripped naked concentration camp German part Auschwitz na see yeah, and if you so mini I na say watery soup small bread any Now, he was working in freezing temperatures. That was a time. Now, we were enduring minus 42 degrees. That's how freezing temperatures here. No. He was only wearing thin rags and broken shoes. Shoe no, broken. So what temperature? Asma make it once yes. Freezing temperatures more. There is a kind of frostbite. I say, Moja and flow, Papa. Now, open source. He suffered. Edema starvation. Exhaustion that left prisoners walking skeletons. The man go through forced labor. He laid railway tracks and dark tunnels in brutal winter conditions. That's not Bruno and couples. Too slow and stumbling. Now prisoners in the equivalency. And not just say left them to die. Victor Franco Papa. And now say now so don't allow me to say tasso. Assembly the Sebra, man, tasso. What you mean a year ago? Don't give up with tasso. Franco transformed his suffering into theoretical therapy. Obrano psychological science. Your friend idea is logotherapy. What's it is an idea that you can find meaning even in unavoidable suffering. And that is what allows human beings to survive psychologically. Oh, come on, something new. Now, Mamma Sandy, and Mamma Franco. They don't easily break me. Logotherapy is powerful. Easily. You rise above the storm. You can survive some pains and difficulties in life. Don't allow things to bring you down. Sometimes I hear now then you build muscles for life. Physical muscles. You are spiritual and emotional muscles. It's a heavy topic. Your own psychological muscle, spiritual muscle, emotional muscle. Rise above the storm. That is just what God wants for our lives. So we are Christian now. Now, bra. Ya no I say. Jidine ne no. Na say. You will be tough in life. Because life doesn't give you anything that we're waiting for. Life will give you what you fight for. Isaiah 40 and verse 21. I see those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. Will be a sometime. Will be soon. But you will not cry forever. You will not weep forever. The Bible says, we may be for the night, but joy comes in the morning. They all have expiry days. And then some but there is always expiry days. Yes, we also never with you. Yes, that's why I'm you. Yes, that's why I'm there is always a time to die, but there is always a time to resurrect. And you know how I'm a spiritual muscle. And now I'm telling you, there is expiry day. And because there is expiry day, I made faith has a resilient foundation. Come on, don't deny the fact that one of them honestly accept it and build those muscles. Resilience is not denial of pain. That's why come and meet muscles that are built to withstand the pressure of life. And it's a boy be ever say, what for now? We are from who say, was soon free as Samaton. Let every pain in life come and meet a resilient muscle and mindset. The future is bright. All right, mommy, Uncle Studio, I'm a Presla and Fiancé Presla. And I pay me, man, good morning. Hey, na Presla. And I pay studio higher shit. I just say, I could feel it in my bones. Presla, if you see a dink be about resilience, na tree no ye can say, and say, worry, and now they are tarish. I just say, what's your boss say, but it be improud. Na edano me buy no me be kan say winter so no na kwa ba kono any endurance na kwa ba kono any recovery na kwa ba kono any growth anapay no me be say ye toaso na before say be fear say aka no me pe with general comment be answer ya toaso. What are your thoughts? You can't resilience general free talk. What are your thoughts?
Me that say resiliency for the past 3 days I come was in say obeshan hodin. That's the first thing because problems ne dey ebeba. And no dey nya establish nya cat was say it's a fallen world. We are say a woman obi nye nya opede ya. Nya we expect say ebeba wa akwam no massa. Only pakwan kra wo goodwill wa hihye na adwin say oh me say na no pay nsu atoyi. Okay. Okaso be deliver 7 o'clock.
I like that.
Nsu na atoyi.
Unpredictability.
Yes.
I like that.
My papa can send or see the unexpected always happens.
Right.
And
he said dear when in nano. Sometimes
they complain so we will say shan hodin because we are saying nya wo susu izebeba no.
Okay.
Eno na ebeba.
Wonderful.
Enti wunya sa adwen na prepare for whatever comes your way.
Okay.
Enti eno no one of the bedrocks adiba kwa de be si ho no who say na brabonity. And so understanding no kwa prepare at your basis obetimi build say spiritual muscles, endurance, growth mindset. Ni nema ye kanina. Wunya sa first understanding na dia kanu o de kan. So because ubetie.
Right.
Now we say now be responding.
Right.
And I can Victor Frankl as him say difficulties will come in life.
Okay.
But our response no and never how ubet me overcome ubet me di asem na eden ba oso inti ye bonnet of na resilience in say o show hodin.
Okay.
Say we making sure say we adapt it asem na esinu.
Right.
Unim say na obeye no but sisi enya baby say na medane ma adwen say na me hye me ho afa metimi afesi sa issue
o ma for nti mama me summarize the please like come here very deeper but in deeper as I say wunya adwen bi say life is unpredictable obre o hye say obi a obeye say obo say bibi aba for say unu said if hifa one a year aren't in the buy. That's the nature of the world. The ability to have an open mind said bribibe to me a see meninda. Now what shower doing this I have a space said there can be unpredictable events. Maybe I went in that a bit to me about when you saw general compa wow. So we all now I know say one day or you're not say baby and in that but it will come. And that's a very powerful foundation that Professor Elia Mae said life itself is unpredictable. And to do baby, now a room, a kind of research margin of error. Mistake be to me a see when in that. So that gives you a room to say a bar and yemi one. Or be yemi bonia and yemi one. Or be casimina shemia and yemi one. Or be semetumasea and yemi one. Bribia meninda isia and yemi one. What you have to do is to turn around and manage yourself. But Priscilla, I like that point very well. But say, oh boy, what do you do? And the Priscilla, once you have such a mindset, before say some other dimensions, what should be your attitude in terms of say space where be watching say be able to me see a dear business
okay. When you say foundation na why who say I'm gonna be mechanic tree say my dream say whatever happens now I'm going to face it head on.
Right.
So a calm and stable attitude. Say me ma bibia empusu me.
All right.
Because already now sa foundation no ewo ho. Ena yedika aka no a malleable mind no.
I like that.
Into malleable mind.
Malleable mind just adwenia emunto ye. Adwenia to me
e close say I was a way na si pepepe.
Okay.
I know na psychological sciences a kind of cognitive flexibility no.
Right.
So what you adwin say anything can happen. Okay. So whatever information comes make me adane no. Make me adane no. Make me adane. Na ma me response me hwehwe.
Okay.
E wo wiase. That's one attitude you can keep in difficult situations and as a challenging situations ebeba wakwem. And I will do kind growth mindset. Say, oh, she say, asema to me, problem I me facing. Then I met me a dream for one. Me who say, a idea a day may come in next stage.
Okay.
And then I would see who can about spiritual anchoring.
Right.
Say, ube make a different meaning out of assembly.
Just as a son at all. And you are going to say, Bonan and Kwan eba, challenging in Kwan eba, or how no Kwan eba, but Bribby, I want a bit to me attend that work on the next level.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Right.
I call the next level. And I no ma shapey.
Okay.
And ma will explain and process it in a different way. Bible can say, for the joy that was set before him. Yesu or she send ya nipa ababe ejinidi ababe ye Christopher ababe ye ne manu. He endured the cross.
Wow.
And Yesu who say, be
one. Please, I love that much.
Into your see for the joy, me refi quotation, maybe a film, maybe a better shana kind. Okay, yeah, train now kind. And for the joy that was set before him, he endured the cross. And an opay say, a spiritual way, and say, oh, who train radia, and I said, those who hope in the Lord. And I don't just say, you don't feel the pain, no, you feel the pain, but because they were meaning to. And sometimes what started business.
Okay.
Maybe in Kofa only almost started your monte was say. O can't say no more dear far.
Alright.
Who started and answer when you'll be aqua agreement or in a different way. Who facing all kinds of challenges. But when your vision no. Una near that one. So because of what you see ahead, you endure the initial challenges. So that you will what? Receive that reward. And
the present moment came out now.
Okay, Patrick,
where Hebrews, the chapter number 12, mankind 1 and 2.
Okay.
Or saying, therefore, since we are surrounded by such a great cloud of witnesses, let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles.
Yeah.
And let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us. Verse 2 now, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of faith. For the joy set before him, he endured the cross, scorning its shame, and sat down at the right hand of the throne of God.
Yes.
Okay.
And one, it's Yesua, Yedinechi, Yedina example. There was something ahead of him. You should get so many prayer now. Or what get so many? There was blood. And Jesse, he was going through a tough time. Or say, Father, call, let this cup be taken away out from me. And see, Jesus experienced the emotions. My main cousin said resilience na I can. And Jesse won't feel pain no.
Okay.
Feel pain.
Okay.
And Jesse won't get disappointed.
And Jesse will be in your baby. And Jesse how no avoid.
And you want to say, hey, me pani I me say. And I say the pain of betrayal no who experience it.
Okay.
Who be experience it.
Okay.
But Osheni na and then America who wants meaning making. Yes, who say okay. I do it the minya and kemba. But because of this joy, I'm going to endure. Bringing many sons unto glory. That was the end goal. And these are the attitudes who go through challenges who be face because I'm going to face this head on. Maybe facing in the air baby and because unexpected ebeba. Na minya sa attitude we ya ebe buame na metimi adapt metimi a face challenges bia eba makwem enti sana wasa wo yen
this a part bi o ho a
okay
me pese yes sign verse 3 no very interesting. Verse 3 say consider him who endured such opposition from sinners so that you will not grow weary and lose heart. Fasa nipa no a adeboneyefo na nipa eye na kaya na wa comment to na wambre eno no mentally no then na oya o kire ho
mentally no or ma hu a picture and now who saw a picture now it's like awareness. It gives you emotional awareness. Until who say also consider but you always make kind be
I say consider him who endured such opposition from sinners so that you will not grow weary and lose heart.
Yes. Until or catch you say opposition ne in yema of no. A man who are emotionally aware of the things maybe also were experiencing in your life at that particular time. It may not be the same, but it's giving you a picture of how painful it is, of how difficult it is. Now, when you have some mental picture now who say, oh, this is a blueprint. A idea will be a film. A man who say, a possible say, me go through and I can come out. And if I can come out now me nye worry, me lose hope, me nkoda ho na ka say, hey, na me nko na say to me. No one who say, we have a high priest. Bible come out say, only me enye so only me o under otia ye nyema ye komuni na otia se. And to when you mental picture where e boa wo na utumi say e ka say, oh, say next year I can also be strong. I can also go through the process. And also the Philippians said, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
For me, it's very interesting the way Brisla actually and Ebanawa being said, you say, Ujina the shoulders of champions.
Yes.
Na, Mame Chewad now. Wapape mu pa. When na every me be an America say, if you know cognitive reframing through comparison. So Ocho say a perspective taking. Or you say nipa no obi afemo no. Na amount so when ya adwene bi say and the men so met me aye. Sometimes obi ahoden can inspire you. Obi adie bi awaya what to me overcome adie bi ebetni ahye nkran. And the cognitive reframing through comparison shall be obi femu shall a tone na he niema e calm no na shall hoden consider him. And we know is an invitation for anticipatory thought. Say or ton san from say one fear si fa adwene ebu ade no say asomasi femu obentin femu ama femu na say won wotumi gina ya me so metumi agina na afen so ade ba ko a ebo an say e ma wotumi identify ho wotumi identify ho wotumi ehya ho say asomasi ade ofemu yi when me ho to no ho a sa oye ni panko a we di hey de to me menso me wuda enti ya fatu obiti ho kakra ya na eta afar bi say in psychology say universalization and no chere say obi afa biribi mu na nkrofom yensa bi anan bi afa bi mu a wotie wo mo stories a eya hye wo hunkunan obi say na yonko and ade here. This is exactly what me manage no. Amazing. And
attitude and resilience, self-compassion. Okay. Sometimes, you go to problems via Nana, me from so and
I and I mean a man can
sometimes unfortunately no maybe sorry be a year and messages be a yate someone you say ya nyame de no me beba also and until unya issues be and and I meant to atati yeah harvest was sorry mama for any be anything of me business me business no echo down. Self-compassion.
Hey, asam na akobosi.
Self-compassion. And me kohopa because in kofo bebre beba won chain say maybe omo pemwa. Na asem o kan na unse che so no de o man who compassion ba ku kra say.
Boni ho da bia boni ho atan.
Say na wo ye say and na why ye say wo susu wo ye obi.
Mabo kakra
Say difficulties aba. Yes, he say I may struggle. The obetimi catch on say I'm struggling.
Yeah.
I am sad.
Yeah.
My disappointed.
Yeah.
I dear madam free medium chese me dream
right.
but I'm still worthy.
Wow.
I can still do better.
Wow.
Yes, the thing came from my own failures. Me na man ka say ye. Me bufu no etra so. Yes, it wasn't me responding in another way. But sisi amehu na ma take responsibility. I can be better.
Wabia yobia. Oman for. Me pa ne papa ni ememu. Hey. But listen, me enko so kakra.
Okay.
And you know, me be say on boy efa sa spiritual anchoring. Ya kwa ba kwa e boy ma etumi ejina waka na ye witaso. Pepe mu kakra kire.
Okay. Yeah, they can start with Jesus example. Now, one of the things I kind of manage him pay say a temporary.
Okay.
A expiry date wo.
Okay.
And yes, sir, the beer. Enti Ezekiel call nyame friend man who dry bones. No.
Right.
There was a time and those bones were dry.
All right.
And now no bones no abeye living. Ekike sieni. Enti me started from there.
Okay.
Say, yeah, GD and my who say, Bibia Yanamubiano, it is not forever. Now, Yesu, first in America say, acceptance.
Acceptance.
So, Jetum say, or see, in this world, you will have many troubles. And to that alone, yes, Emma who say, troubles never bad.
Okay.
And Apostle can say, we are pressed on every side.
Just say, for the beer.
And for example, Uko school, course he went track.
Okay.
Just say, the white truck subjects no 2 times. And yes, I won't see you. Maybe 3 times. Someone say, hey, na me kwa ade. At the same time, if fear soon ye, or fair, way ni ho. Adwuma kakra wo ye yes wo papa yare wo ada bibie si wa ha na obi san say eh what is happening.
Okay.
But I know me team who kakra me kasa sisi our attitude no say and no nche say feel pain.
Okay.
You have to go through the pain.
Right.
Jesus and no wow how you are feeling.
Right.
Utimena brofumuno in psychological science say you are labeling the feelings you are having.
Just say, what to me identify.
Say,
now can say way, anyway.
Because sometimes, and then it's me bro, so who say now feeling? Who say, a buffo now buffo, and I say, you are feeling frustrated. Because sometimes who say a buffo, okay, a buffo, say na me deal with a buffo.
Okay.
Because a buffo dealing, and you're the same as frustration.
All right.
And you're the same as disappointment.
All right.
And you're the same as feeling abandoned, rejected.
Okay.
Into what me who sana, and on Yesu kawo cross and say, my God, why have you forsaken me? Into honu Yesu express a feeling of abandonment.
Right.
Feeling of rejection.
Right.
Into me who sa feelings na ye nyana. Nas yasa control kunkuni man who say okay dey na nyameka fanasem so bi bemebua so who feel abandoned so who feel so wadanfun obi anka wo trust energy or see if my mother and my father forsake me obi eja me ho a wo de sa nyame asem na chichewe say the Lord himself. Now, Psalm 20, the Lord is my shepherd.
Okay.
And your man koye, and so me wa reshemu say nyamene me wo. Or say even though I walk through the valley of the shadow, me nam esum kebi mupa. I know that his difficulties are there. And as I am away in a nyamia semno, ye ba psychologically, a bois wadrino, and I yaka prefrontal cortex, regulation of your mind. Nebon who said there's a meaning in my pain. And look at Joseph. Yes, Joseph, in you are up to naturally. Okay. But Yankupon who say a combi bar, we needed a savior at the time. You say, I sure Joseph, Otimi making meaning out of it at the end of the day. Say, you meant it for evil. But God. Oh dear, oh, how would you say, oh, yeah, to me, actually, Capet Mua, now, Bobia Chimiari. That's the end of the story. But God meant it.
But God meant it for good. I'm for me pese me twa me ho eba na answer na yeto aso answer na no ma me nka o se won a dwumadie yi omo efa ehon kade ama ye no Unilever Pepsodent cavity fighter toothpaste or say esian ke kan hihim na mo hihim na won se wo sene ye mesrew copy bi twi anopa na twi enumre odi wie ya na wachi okoda na watwi opesa o kire se osi oye hu adwuma obenya good breath ebebo ho ban ena emma wunya kaka basabasa kura wo gam no e hyene den papa se abua bi ba osem ho a wo ba no na oseno wo she helmet want to me attack oseno just wo she da de chepa we unya na baby I just say Pepsodent are a free Unilever for or say a bank and various packs mo a be a son and a family pack and the energy aqua pack the diho and a fee the pack kitten ultimately be a show bag mutu quino and also el was this help say unya free dentist no didn't come from one or say friend 0800 161 000. Customers so am pese money amodin komo no. Manfre 0800 2000 30. Pepsodent, every smile matters. I feel some guy say dokono and every day many dokono one hamenda. Just bread and pastries one the gramas ni or boy papa or say a hot kinky and canadoconoa ya fitting ye a brua yedeniano and a year and a bruno ye a bruno ye shedan ya prepare no under hygienic condition a boa na ikura wapomudemua wapomude and top just hot kinky was see at 4 ball 3 cities open you my unibe go to be uku 2,000 pieces. Now 560 crowd when you scout. Was say Omayano clean hygienic preparation, convenient storage and delivery. Was it between your ye or between your wedding or between your event Biara? The Obayan say Frewon 025 6068832. Wawa just bakery I want to make a war Ghana commercial bank. Offer more, they will help you. Mami was you 025 6068832. Or say make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kinky. And now in Sia Twa, if you may cool ya wabe, or compare pana to chew Jenny go home to chow a furnace, Jenny go home with tomatoes. Maybe I win ya. Cucumber prickles be now you travel home. Now, what to tone my friend say, Kobe and I happy net down. Eh? Now, 2 tell to a friend say, to the go home. A honorable Sompa, King Compa, and I come as just hot kinky. I'm for me coming one bar. Yaba. It was. Are
you clapping? Are you giving God the glory?
Hallelujah!
Every day you wake up shouting, my business is not moving. Customers are not coming. But look, my brother, my sister, who are you deceiving? Have you smiled today? Do you have the confidence to smile? Your face alone is chasing people away. Yeah! We all know that the problem is not a spiritual problem. The problem is a dental problem. She was saying, use Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste to remove yellow. Somebody shout amen.
Craft your smile with Pepsodent charcoal. It removes stains and whitens teeth. This advert is FDA approved.
Yes, can you hope you more? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na wo bekojo. Akoto to eburo. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa akoton. Wo bra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
O say price no. Wo betu na wo kwa na wakwa akoton. Eno anu se wonya woni ma na wo dia boss. Enti sabre die introducing Joe's hot kenke. Ye de eburo papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby aye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's hot kenke. Mo amoto dokono nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
Joe's Bakery, Jome, your commercial bank at Chihuahua, Tawo Pedu to now afraid 025 6068832. And just say, dear, Joe's hot kenka benti, and one is a ubetuya, now would ya quaco see what corner hot now. Joe's hot kenke, yet dia bow punano, way a year hot.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Shame, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Midi Sompa Delight. Bro, Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebemawu entertainment, information, and education. Onia, sawati de wahoni nadida. Afi, and anya dance no eba. Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be some Frobi. Nakashane say, Abna Ruthie, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Na ode Sompa Delight, bro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsa so ama Onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankupon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Now so me penny they are famous.
Ya boy. Ya ba Sompa.
Yeah, man yinti. Makika me mra so asiyesini. Oh. Akamaya samo pai. Akwada hu dachi anana ni aje. Opani twane ni anani raho. Mara hu sempa na minkai. Mintam kesia na me bosi. Memranti bremu mentia futu. And I mean, you, Rantan my bow, won't see me. I'll come myself
man for me mamu akwaba ediba sa Sompa Rhapsody so and pay many presla and atnasia enam Sompa FM 106.5 I say a market yapa and near my church and hano unyani bedia we are the first ever program a psychological science and a theology and a live experience boom edinda nipa brabo nipa atinka and send your best to number afa and no any fa Sompa Rhapsody every Monday be at 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock or Sompa FM. You won't get it anywhere. A unique programmer editena and crofabra bon neama enipa ejina waka no na home to fam say I am tired, I am done. What did Nelson Mandela suffer? He suffered hard labor or breaking rocks in lime quarry under the harsh South African sun. Was it sand, glen and every white limestone no permanently damaged his eyes? And then you know bright lights about not a saying any. Was he suffered solitary confinement? He was in isolation for weeks. No reading material, no company, no sense of time. When Nimusa dia sana dia che, every say baby ocean won warrior, won who are the sign, and the adichia won him, Adesa won him. What a torture! Yes, I'm a common day no papa. He received the lowest food allotment under the racially tiered prison diet. Most of the time, no kokon kwani amano. Ni amane nam kete. Ni amane buru kete. Ni amane coffee kete. Nelson Mandela suffered. After amane kwa kama nebusi hansu huno. He was allowed one visitor and one letter every 6 months. Letter no so what they bought. This year be mo ken kai. Near her letter no and somebody near Churamao. What a dehumanizing time. Remember me we in 1968 went to me and cry you know. Neba Tembi ewu 1969 our car accident went to me and cry. The authorities used this as a leverage to punish Nelson Mandela. Hey, Nanso Emin Tasso. When you had tuberculosis in 1988, he suffered high blood pressure, prostate surgery he endured. Where your friend is saying, if I'm not in Tasso. Hey, me say you can build a muscle and defy the deteriorating experiences in life. Maybe say, Prince Boy, you hear 2 more things. Now to me, I build this muscles here. Priscilla, you're welcome back again. And the Priscilla, you have here identity and security and a purpose. Church saying, then beyond a boy, may sa muscles for buildings are inventors way.
Okay. Yeah, can't be say resilience and answer warrior tasun. We expect to say challenges beba. Now we're facing no. Senior also facing no. Now the back why beboa pa ye. Se unim nipa we.
Okay.
Who you are.
I like that.
Nipa unimu. I think the word in our previous conversation say sometimes no in anger management ko unimu ho a eboa now we avoiding him.
Who say Jimmy be back.
Now afa baby kra. Na in resilience no.
I love that.
Se unim senia otie who you are. Unim senia otie ni wi a se wusumbo. A stable sense of self.
Okay.
And yes, me to say, say anything that maybe me far away in can work. Say ye parenting no. Send ye see share dinda collab fano. And ye very very critical.
Okay.
Because all your banner basa. Chances say only who the or ye no. Ye high. Into benny no now maybe me kwa minye good. Minye say, but you cannot be bad throughout. Okay. And you cannot be also good at only challenges be also so. It's also be a found now was sad na psychologically. We are confident. Tree no make us say unim ni obeti mi aye and I want to mean until you will not even start certain businesses. No I could face certain challenges they break you. Because resilience so and also who battles are fighting. Battle be
me bury you a busy jack. As someone can I'm listening to people.
Yes.
Obi oha me can say me so no. Abranti be no how much was in base 4 years.
Okay.
And I'm saying me bro no. Now will be our semi for.
Better na kwa mana yi.
Ena me koka ntokwa na bo me no. As it was say as I say battle obetumi akon. And to copy of one for so you don't have to just open yourself
so for certain
to needless comment and issues in life.
Yes.
Amazing.
Because you are confident unim say okay. Me who girl be or Pama dear or a lawyer or Pama dear or one son
or a lawyer
also to me Pama dear
or
one son where you himself unibi. Your own is talking. It's apart from law, apart from engineering, meaning doctor friend Bia was starting YouTube channel or to meet share anatomy. Medical students at CSC was starting YouTube channel.
Wow.
Or on your medical doctor or PhD in medical sciences anyway into a child or medical school. Apart from or child any teaching job or the YouTube account. Only back away uncle maybe mine in a juma and as uncle for business a juma being to the hoso no akoboka no aka say radiant jones and semu ade oka say who do hoto ne so a ehwiri hia ba won so ma so yes
no please I also I ran me helpful ehwiri hia
me say dey be hia one because he gave some to be apostles, prophets, teachers. The same God, he gave different gifts. Until you can bloom. I flourishing in the particular place you are, so know yourself and a baby one who taking on and things you cannot take on.
Listen, Romans chapter 8 verse 37 and 38.
Yeah.
I see ye no. Yes, in Kunum for.
Yes.
And I'm there or door, no. And I want to also say, Brebini wa Ebeji every onyanko pondumu.
Yeah.
How does this work out into this identity thing? Okay.
Yes. I see in all these things we are more than conquerors.
Okay.
So you know who you are, you know your strengths.
Okay.
And then biblically, because biblical, psychological and experience.
Right.
Into biblically, then the Yankupon aka found.
All right.
Chris, yes, my tears, and as the Bible, my tears say what? We are what? More than conquerors.
All right.
We are children of God.
Okay.
We are created in His image.
Okay.
And in all these things, we are more than conquerors.
Difficulties
be our facing.
Okay.
The Bible is making you understand that your default state is a conquering state.
Right. Right.
So yes, difficulties will come. But there's somebody who loves you.
Right.
And his love has moved you into a conquering state.
I was a mountain here. Bresla say, or say, when we know,
Yeah.
dear way no can, or can sorry, or can money, or case sunny, or can yarwa, or can him teabu, or catam didi. At the bonny be out to be or say, Sandy bonny in mono. Yes, no can before. And I'm the odor, not this nature as you say. As I say, when you say, what identity, sunny or what no. Ejina GDB equals. And in all of this, you are more than conqueror. No, say, your default state. Just I want a background now, the amount, and say, one am enquanimdiamu, and then your default state. Who beginning from level 1 or level 1 say, oh, yeah, enquanim default.
Yeah.
That's a quite fire point to know. Purpose and meaning.
Purpose and meaning. Nah, and look at the 18 who can crack TF4.
Okay.
Say, asem na to cognitive reframing reappraisal.
Right.
When we say okay, challenges we no.
Right.
A chester saying.
Right.
Yet that time Jesus na me de miswa kakra na TV3 and I TV3 say TV Africa one of the stages no Masem.
Okay.
There was a show because Masem in Kofobeka in some more through anyhow me bounce it back. And I say make some of me kind details in but me kind semni bia and Kofobeka na share and cry say ubetimi afa bibi mu na no na be a stepping stone and no anka I was nke break you no a crash you no e ma wo ye basa no ye tie preacher woman we ya o popular Joyce Meyer story Onwa ni papa e repeat multiple times,
not once, not twice, not twice.
First marriage because of the brokenness into no pe kwan bi pe obi obedono to first marriage kwa ankosi. But this woman has remarried papa or don't know over 50 years egusuye ministry and Joyce Meyer Ministries blessed so many people all over the world. Into with difficulties, no, now with Viktor Frankl, people can choose to respond to the issues that they face.
Okay.
And that meaning that suffering can be redemptive.
Right.
Suffering can bring something else.
Right.
And yaka Joseph's story.
Right.
Yaka stories be our Bible.
Right.
Ya share Judges, Gideon.
Right.
Gideon Gideon say oh yeah identity. Gideon who's himself an identity because and science sometimes certain baby can really define how you think about yourself because we any patuntumti maybe we say we share from abroad
oh hene so kakra wano so kakra
anaza who ya chingelenge for you ya gesia uso utmi di
obisa me nunufo
me shape into mine ebe ware me yes me no up big size up big front
big back
and so and yes sir
right
you know so when you find meaning purpose e was anya manu na Mordecai and Esther say maybe you have come here for such a time.
No nim se sabria wa bahi e bia wa basabria onyame peso ye
bribi and maybe you wo to ebusuan bi mu but maybe you are the savior for that family. Maybe circumstances and now for bi ni maybe a wo de ho ko for omo na amwa but maybe nyankopon channel different story be
right
about how to manage certain things efim. Yes, Mother Teresa, Ninkofo, or Moya Nema Kessia Kessia or Abrabomo. they all did not get it from a silver platter.
Wow.
And you know when who say yes, in all these things, it works together.
When you know money, yes,
for those who love him, those who love God. And I'm going through difficulties. But in all these things,
listen,
I'm more than a conqueror.
Most of the time, I'm on fat or yell. Na mamenka aseminti tifo na muntini ba. Suffering is an energy. Or yao ekura to me.
Yeah.
Amaninya oyende opra oseye adebia enya de pano ekura to me.
Yeah.
It has an energy. Now the way I'll be see I've done energy no any here. Obi wa se ofa so himua. Na na you say energy be the echi. Say energy no can be destructive. Say what the wura mu a ebe say o ko down to me na. Mo say we do and count community. E pra wa ma what dwene asay. But the same energy can be transformed into writing. And to me sabre na adani ya we no ofa pen and our church ebi our book. So ofa pen and if you say oh he say pen kura ofa or how be mu so bi di ohun seko say we dwuma say say ade beto say wo bewu say assembly emenewa. How do you respond? Now the experience kurampo actually obehunu say you will be bringing something very innovative. Obian fani by and no and Victor Frankl and it's a logo therapy by. And the suffering delivers a very powerful energy. And the as if mutimia adibia over mubiano can say you have the ability to use it. Dareno pe ahodini a woman na asa ahodino and Fadi Bambra. What do you think about that?
And Nikwan Swan, yeah, can't want some near the Ababesi point ways to say, right. So, who beyond the present circumstances. Say, me too bold, make me say, in a nutshell, the Christian life, we can summarize it in that.
Right.
Say, there's a victory that Christ has won for us.
Right.
But obonifuobi empese ubenya sa enkunimdie no.
Right.
Into the niema be fifa wakwemu sa.
Right.
But so utimi who beyond the suffering na. Nasa energy no o channel into something else. And Tina Bible can say if they knew that killing the King of Glory will bring salvation to many,
they would not have.
Cause they wouldn't have tried. Into only by calling himself or say, one casa didn't no dreams are DNA say.
Right.
But God sees a different picture.
Wow.
And then if you align yourself to see, say, a same way I made family, and now be bet me free, more banana. Say yes.
President, hold on. I mean, we assemble lines. No,
okay.
Omofra, Oman for Mamen Kaimo. Lines no 0260196064 and 0260196065. Kai biwe 0260196064 0260196065. Fred say Mamen Kaibio 0260196064 0260196065. Please like that.
Yeah. Okay. See, and see, and I'm medical. God sees.
Let's say Ubia Abaline or so.
Okay.
Our line 2. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
aging studies. From some tregu, Momodian apply. Afi na unya admissions. Until I come your way again, it is shalom. Peace and life to you. Can I say you are stronger than you ever thought. I'll see you some other time. Bye bye.
And nam awarie so na nyame edi tumi ema edi abodie tumi ema awarie say ye be ware ne ye be to na abodie so enti ana awarie ye ba bia onyame de